Hi friends, today I am going to show you how you can create a project and synchronize it using Git and source tree. So basically Git is used for team synchronization, like if multiple members are working in a team and they want to synchronize their work so that each person's work is available to others so that they can work on latest code. So for that we use Git. So go to github.com. Here you need to sign up first. If you already have an account, then you can sign in from here. Otherwise you need to create a account, like choose a username. Username should be unique, and then give your email address, and then create a password. For password you have a restriction that it must contain one letter, one number and 7 characters. So complete these things and then sign up for GitHub. Now once you are signed up, then you see something like this. So here on top right corner you guys will see something like create new. From here you can create a new repo. Repo is nothing but a place on remote system where your project lives, and it contains all the versions, all the push, and you have different branches there so that you can switch to different branches whenever you want. So create a new repo. Let's say I want to create a new repo. First app, give some description. This is my first app. Now by default this is public, so keep it as it is, and then initialize this with readme file. Readme file is basically when you want other members of your team to clone the project, like if they want this project to be available on their local system so that they can start working from there. So for that we have this readme file. In readme file we will mention all those things, like how to start with project, what are the requirements, what are the softwares needed, what are commands they need to run for getting started with this project, that is how to get up and running with this project. So all those things you can mention here and create a repo. So now this repo is created. Now for easy synchronization we have a tool called source tree. So open new tab, search source tree. See, the first link is of source tree. Go to source tree and download for Windows. I have already downloaded this, so I am cancelling this. You can download this and install this. During installation they may ask you for creating an account, so you can easily complete all those steps. That is very easy. So download and install source tree. After installing source tree, open it. So it looks something like this. You don't have these projects there. That time it will be empty when you open it. Now here is the option clone new project. So now go to your GitHub where we have created our first app. So here our first app is there, clone or download option is there, so click on that and then you will get a link. This is link where our remote folder resides, remote folder of this project which contains all those versions. So paste it here, click on clone new and paste your link here. Then you need to give a destination path, so it is best practice to choose your repo folder inside you, not inside your C, other than C drive, so that there is less chance of missing this project, even the system crashes or something like that. So now we are inside this folder, project software folder, and let's say I want to create, I am inside F project software, and inside project software create a new folder which is your repository for first app, local repo, and then hit enter, select this folder. Now your destination path is F project software first app. You can select any drive, any folder. Now do clone. When you clone, this project is automatically copied to that first app destination folder which I have created. Now once it get copied, so it is taking time. See, this first app project is copied now. See, there is one branch already there, master, which is created by default. Initial commit is there, it is showing initial commit, date of commit, author. Now in working copy, right now nothing is there. So what we need to do is, like, let's say I want to copy some project, go to angular.io, sorry, this is Angular 2 site. So you can take a quick start project from here. Clone entire quick start. So here clone or download option is there, so from here you do download zip. Okay, go to your, copy this project and go to your F, your repository folder where you have created your repository. For me it's first, sorry guys. So see here, readme file is already created. Now extract here, you can delete this zip. Now copy this, copy, Control V, and remove this quick start master. And this is showing readme file is there in this project, that's why it is showing. So replace your readme file with this file. That's done. Now this project is copied in our first app. Now go to source tree. See here, we got all those changes we have done, right? So it is showing all those files which we have updated in our local system. So do stage all. Stage all means it is ready for your local commit or push. So now go to working copy. Inside working copy, write quick start, quick start initial commit. Now commit this. This commit is in your local system. So now this thing is saved in your local system, and now you are getting here a push request. So basically what a push request is, push request shows you that you have, hey guys, you have done changes in your local system, in your project, so you need to push this code to origin, that is remote, on remote system, which is on Git, where your project resides. So click on push. It is showing push into master branch. Currently I am pushing into master, so push it. So it is pushing into our remote. So you need to give password, username and password. So now this push is done. See, now push request is removed already. Now go to your remote and refresh the page. See what happens. Oh, sorry. See here, I have got all those inside this first app. I have got all those things which I have pushed right now, right? And it is showing all those things. From here you can see how many commits you have made. I have written quick start initial commit, so it is showing quick start initial commit. Okay, so we are done with this. From here you can create a separate branch and create a separate branch like develop, create branch. I have created a separate branch out of master. So all those code which is inside there in master, which is available in develop. Now we are not going to touch master. We will do all those. We will create separate branches from develop. Like if you want to create a home page of your website, then you can create a branch out of develop and name it home page, and then you can start writing your home page code into your that home page branch. So I'm not creating that home page branch, but if you want to create your website or some bigger project, then you can do that way. But I am going to show you a simple change, how source tree, how a fine tuning source tree provides us. Go to your app. Now you can open this app folder in any editor. I am going to use Visual Studio Code. If you guys want to use it in Visual Studio Code, then do shift and right click. Sorry. See here, open command window option is here. So open command window and then type code dot. So you guys will get your Visual Studio Code. The project is opened in Visual Studio Code. It's a very nice editor for Angular projects with TypeScript support. So here I have app folder. Now let's say I am going to make some changes inside my app component.ts file. Guys, remember this file. Now import let's say ng module from. This error is coming because I have not done npm install, so that is a different thing. I am just trying to show you guys how source tree shows the file changes, so that you guys will get an idea of how you can see the changes. See, I have made one line change. Now I am going to see that source tree detected this change or not. So go to source tree, go to working copy. See here it is showing file change. So you can easily see here I have added one line and it is showing plus this line. So this shows that I have added this one line in our code. So from here you can again do a stage hunk, and then it will show a push stage hunk. Then you need to commit the code, and then you need to push the code. So in this way you can easily synchronize your project with your friends. If you guys are working on some college project or something like that, then you guys must create this thing so that your friends and you can together work on same project on different modules of your project. Dividing a project into modules is a very important thing. Divide into modules and assign different modules to your friends, and then you can see what is power of this version control system. And source tree and git, it is very important in software development. So wish happy coding, try it. Thank you for watching. I will keep uploading videos related to source tree. If you guys have any queries, you can ask. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.